Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to log out account on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app. Now, click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll this bar at the last you can see logout. Click it on. Click on this red logout. In this way your account will be logged out. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.